Hey everyone, welcome back to the Homestead. So I've had something on my mind that I wanted to share with you, just a quick video. So this has to do with kind of the fear, anxiety, stress, all of that comes along with everything that's been going on in the world the last few years. You know, when COVID first started, obviously COVID itself brings along the potential for some real problems. But for me, the way I looked at it is the real problems are going to come from the response to COVID. The way that the governments around the world are going to respond. That has a greater likelihood of causing real issues. So that's why right after COVID started, very shortly after, I started learning how to raise fish and started learning how to garden and how to raise food at home. It was my way of dealing with the stress and the anxiety and the fear, the concern, all of that was attached with the whole scenario. It's been very therapeutic. Instead of having to be trying to run away from something and be constantly worried about it, I'd set a goal that would hopefully be some kind of a solution, the best solution I can come up with that I can do for myself and my family. And so I'm working towards the achievement of that goal rather than running away from something, and it keeps the stress and the anxiety at bay. Anytime I start to feel something, some way about the whole thing, I start thinking about another solution for that problem and start working towards that. And guess what? I don't need any Xanax or anything like that. I don't need no pills, because this is my therapy, getting out here, right? So if that's something you're dealing with, you know, find a goal, find something to work towards to keep your mind off of that. For me, I mean, it really works. It helps. And there's no more fear. There's no more anxiety. Whatever is coming is going to come, and there's nothing I can do to stop that, but I can do something to try to prepare myself and my family to be in a better position when it happens. So like, we have probably beef shortages coming up at the end of next year, right? And I'm a big beef eater, but if I can supplement with fish and other things out here and eat more of this stuff, well then, hey, I've at least done something. And just that you know, motion towards a thing has been my therapy. So we can only control what we can control, right? And so that's the only thing I'm going to worry about. I'm going to try and stop worrying about the things that are beyond my control. All right. Well, anyways, hey, you know, guys, I'm so grateful for the YouTube community that I'm able to do this at all, because I have no idea. I still don't have a green thumb. Most of the things I try to grow end up failing. You know, I don't show you those ones, but I just put enough stuff out that hopefully some things are going to survive. But without the YouTube community, I wouldn't know how to do any of this stuff. And so I'm so grateful for that I've been able to learn some things and hopefully be able to, you know, send some of it back out there so that maybe y'all can learn something that worked for me. And I thank you so much for watching. You all have yourselves a great day.